Welcome. Today let's learn prepositions of place. In.
He is in the box.
On.
He is on the box.
Above.
He is above the box.
Behind.
Behind the box.
Between.
He is between the boxes.
In front of.
He is in front of the box.
Under.
He is under the box.
Nearby.
He is nearby the box.
Next to.
He is next to the box.
Have you seen the child? Tell me where he is.
On the piano. He is on the piano.
Where is the child?
In the tent. He is in the camping tent.
Where is the child?
Above the flower. He is above the flower.
Where is he now?
Behind the tree.
Where is he now?
Between the boxes. He is between the boxes.
Where are you?
In front of the gift shop.
Where is the child?
Under the table. He is under the table.
Where is he now?
Nearby the garden. He is nearby the garden.
Where are we now?
Next to the truck.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe so we can keep learning. Bye.
See you next time.
Uh-oh. I'm out of